This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 07384811382, and today we have a 2015 Volkswagen Transporter Multivan, stock reference number 4504. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2010 through to the 6th month 2015. It has a CCHA 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an NZQ automatic front-wheel drive transmission. CCHA 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the bottom, which appears to have no damage. Radiated grille, tidy front bumper cover, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. Automatic gear shifter. Heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.